Reklaim has the opportunity to take scrap tires, take a large resource in North America and around the world, and convert that resource into valuable products. When a consumer goes to a tire shop, they're getting new tires, and the old tires need to go somewhere. So the tire shop is contracted with the tire consolidator. The tire consolidator has several different options for disposing of that shredded tire material. Approximately 60% of tires in America now go either to be burned or go into landfill. Both of these are environmentally damaging uses. Alternatively, they can shred the tires, they'll extract the metal that's in the tires and create a product called crumb rubber. The crumb rubber arrives at the beginning of Reklaim's process in either super sacks or in whole truckloads. The crumb rubber is transferred to a hopper. The rubber is conveyed over a fluidized bed dryer where the crumb rubber is dried, any excess water is driven off, and then the crumb rubber is pneumatically fed up to the top of our pyrolysis unit, where it's broken down into two primary products, carbon black and pyrolysis gas. Reklaim's processor is configured as a vertical cylinder with a series of trays inside that vertical cylinder. Crumb rubber enters the top of the processor, drops onto the top tray, does one complete rotation, and then crumb rubber is very gently moved down to the next tray. It does this process 20 times, and the carbon black comes out of the bottom of the processor. The configuration of the processor is very important in terms of our ability to control the residence time and the temperature within the processor, which is critical to the quality of the carbon black that Reklaim manufactures. When the powdered carbon black emerges from Reklaim's pyrolysis unit, it's sent through a two-step process to create our end product. The first step of the process is taking the powdered carbon black and making the particle size consistent. This is done through grinding technology. The second stage of the process is turning that finely ground powder into pellets. Reklaim uses deionized water to form its pellets, and the pellets in our case are approximately 1 millimeter spheres, and because Reklaim is able to manufacture pellets without using any foreign material as a binding agent, it creates a much more pure carbon black. The other product stream, which is the pyrolysis gas that emerges from the pyrolysis unit, is converted into two useful products. The first product is a liquid fuel that's similar to diesel fuel, and this product is sold into the refinery market or into the industrial boiler market. The remaining portion of the pyrolysis gas remains as a gas and has very similar properties to that of natural gas. If you compare tire manufacturing to other large industries, including metals, paper, and glass, those large industries have been able to incorporate post-consumer content into their product. Rubber manufacturers and tire manufacturers have not been able to. Reklaim is the first opportunity that tire manufacturers have to incorporate post-consumer content or recycled material in a large way into their product.